Warm greeting to respective teacher and all dear friends. Today we are going to present a project topic temperature monitoring system using Cisco Packet Tracer with my team members Sahil Shilvankar and Shreya Saundari. Introduction name. Temperature monitoring systems are very common and serve many purposes in variety of applications like room temperature monitoring, field and etc. To simulate our system, we are using Cisco Packet Tracer. Further, my friend Shreyas will continue. Thank you.
Component specification. I'm Shreya Saundari, and in this slide I'm going to give you brief about component specification. So the first component and also the heart of a project is temperature sensor. It can sense minus 100 degree and plus 100 degree temperature. It can be used as analog as well as digital sensor. If used in analog configuration, it will produce analog output ranges from 0 to 1023, and then configured as digital mode, it will give you digital output ranges from 0 to 255. The brain of our project is microcontroller. Come with 4 analog input pins and 6 digital input and output pins. Then to display sensor reading, we are using LCD display. Also to produce heat and chill ambience, we are using their respective element, flowchart and algorithm. So now with the help of flowchart and algorithm, we are going to explain you basic function of our program. This is our flowchart and then this is our algorithm. First start the program, then we will define temperature sensor as input device as well as elements and display as our output device. Then microcontroller will be receiving sensor data. Then microcontroller will convert analog value of sensor into temperature value. If temperature value is less than 20, then heater will turn on. Further, if temperature value is more than 20 and less than 35, then turn off heater and cooler. Then if temperature is less than 35, then turn on cooler. And further continue the process. Now my friend Sai will demonstrate you further.
So I am Sahil Shirdankar. I will explain you working of our project. So with the help of Cisco Packet Tracer, we have successfully simulated our project. As you can see in the screen, this is of Cisco Packet Tracer. Our project is divided into 3 sections and they are not physically connected to each other, but they influence each other indirectly. Section A consists of temperature sensor, heater, cooler and display. Temperature sensor will provide temperature data to microcontroller. Then microcontroller will process data and display and control the temperature of room by turning on the cooler if temperature is too high and turning on the heater if temperature is too low. We are using JavaScript for programming our project, and for demonstration purpose we have edited the program for heater and cooler to produce output quickly. Hence section A is for controlling the room temperature. So now let's see section B. It is a separate section consists of separate IoT temperature monitor system with home gateway and tablet to access data. We have created a wireless network using home gateway and assigned name and password to it. Then all the IoT devices in section B are connected to the home gateway using same name and password. So further we have given IP to each device in section B. So as you can see, so to check the temperature sensor on IoT tablet, we need to go in desktop and IoT monitor. So we need to add our IP address here and user and password as admin, and then you can see here we can check our temperature reading here. So now as you can see in the screen, our temperature is less than 20 degrees. So heater is turned on and temperature is rising slowly. So as you can see, if temperature reaches 20 degree, the heater gets turned off. As you can see now temperature is more than 35, so cooler is turned on to drop down temperature. So now as you can see now temperature is 35 degree, cooler is turned off.